Introducing Writing Time. What animals do you like? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What animals do you like? I like zebras and giraffes so tall. I like koalas and flamingos best of all. I like pandas and pelicans too. I like peacocks with feathers of blue. I like camels and wolves each day. I like kangaroos that hop away. I like octopuses and starfish in the sea. I like seahorses swimming happily. I like hedgehogs and foxes so small. I like guinea pigs, fuzzy and all. I like llamas and snakes both big and small. I like learning about them all. What other animals do you like? Do you like puppies or kittens at play? Do you like horses that gallop away? Do you like monkeys and parrots too? Do you like penguins at the zoo? Do you like dolphins or whales so grand? Do you like turtles on the warm sand? Do you like bunnies or a tiger that runs? Do you like butterflies that fly in the sun? Do you like squirrels or lions that roar? Do you like elephants we all adore? Do you like frogs or ducks by a stream? Or are there other animals of which you dream? Now it's your turn to draw. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to share what animals bring you delight. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.